Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. That I'm providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice closure sign off for myself. For it is United States of America created the COVID-19 plague and also enforced mask for me to wear and created emotional torture to I, and that is a crime for a nation to provide that. So I have to provide the civil justice sign off. That way I can get the civil justice sign off in front of entire human kingdom. Okay, so I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. Victims of abuse, patients, medical, finance, aid, compensations, claims process. In the year summer of 2019, between summer 2019 and December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed a lawsuit against at fault and found guilty USA nation for $50,000 trillion. And that is why domestic violent prostitute President Trump during time frame of 2016 to 2020 of USA created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves. As of February 22, 2021, crime count 1 is at fault prostitute COVID-19 plague is President Trump of time frame 2016 and 2020 of USA, and failed in welfare services job and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is a deadliest crime of COVID-19 plague President Trump of time frame 2016 and 2020 of USA to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. So I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want Republic of Prostitute President Trump of 2016 to 2020 of USA to pay tax-free $500 billion per president times 44 presidents of USA since 17th century will be a total of tax-free 225 comma followed by 50 billion dollars direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And wild endangered species, domestic violent, Republic of Prostitute, absolute monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and phases of Pope Francis failed in absolute monarch's job, and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species, for created COVID-19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on brain nerves of I, Vedapriya Prose. So I want wild endangered species, domestic violent, leprosy patient, Republic of Prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute, prostitute absolute monarchs time total absolute monarchs direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next. Once again, damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as a domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved, and that is why the Roman province Jesuits organizations of US in 50 states of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion times 10 states of Jesuits would be 500 followed by 4 zeros. That much trillion dollars must be direct deposited to my bank account. And domestic violence types as in breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and chattels and types. Okay, and yes, I proved how this Roman Jesuits states is a prostitution organization in USA they destroyed, and they are the ones who created the COVID-19 plague, and how Republican President Trump created the COVID-19 plague, and how Queen Elizabeth and Pope Francis and other phases of Pope Francis teams created the COVID-19 plague. And I sure must get the civil justice rightful way in front of all nations. And thank you all for your time, my dear fellow mankind. Take care. Bye for now.